Y'all, Truckers Life, and we here. I know I already recorded the previous stuff, but I'm gonna start putting this clip in my other clip in the beginning of every video. Don't forget, y'all, share this stuff to your Facebook, your social medias, y'all. Let's grow this channel. Let's show some love to a trucker who is really out here trucking. Yeah, I know my top bunk, that's all my clothes. That's where my clothes stay because I keep my seasonings and everything else that I cook with in other places in my truck. But hey, let's show some love, man. Let's show some people how to cook for real. If you cook, I got some great recipes that you can use at home. You might be able to make it better at home because I'm doing this all in my truck. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I love y'all. I'm out. Trucker Life here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the content. But hey, we doing what we got to do to make this thing grow. I need y'all to do the same. Share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, your Snap, whatever you got to do. Let's share it and grow, y'all. Let's make this thing public. But hey, I'll holler at you. What's up, y'all? Truckers Life, and we back, baby. Another episode of Truck Cooking with Truckers Life. We're just gonna get straight into it. Got some onion, already fine diced, straight in the pan. Got some cilantro. I love the smell of cilantro, y'all. Love it. Of course, crushed red peppers. That's good. The garlic. It's a fork. That's good. It's just some people talking outside, no biggie. Salt. Alright, I'm back, y'all. Had to get my pepper. So, put my chopping board back over here on my little desk. Take some pepper. Of course, lime juice. A lot of this, I love citrus. Of course, y'all know we got the ground beef. Grab my trash can. Yes, it's a popcorn tin. That's what I've been using for a trash can. Yesterday I had to ship freaking, not yesterday, the day before. And again, I want to shout out Cowboy Joe Boo, Mark Holmes. Thank you, bro, for the promotion. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get a new chopping board with him. Hopefully soon I can afford it. We'll see. I'm just gonna put this on top. Put that ground beef on top. Put that straight in there. Boom. Goes back down here. And then we're gonna season this side of it too. Salt. Grab my can opener. Some green green chilies. Green chilies in there. Oh, y'all seeing me ordering food. Y'all come here for the truck cooking, not Trucker's Life. Good amount of these in there. I love these green chilies. Alright, then grab my spatula. Just kind of move this stuff off of this table. So it don't fall. Because when this stuff starts cooking down, it's going to release all of that fatty juiciness. And it's going to start sauteing up the onions. Let me turn this way. And now we're just going to let it heat up. And we'll be back when it gets done. Holla. Alright, y'all, we back. The food's almost done. Well, not quite almost done, but I just got to cut up these jalapenos real quick. Oh, these jalapenos are full. Look at how many seeds are in there. That's going to be good. I know I said I was going to slow down, but I'm bored today, so leave me alone. And as y'all see, as in today and yesterday's videos, they're going to be a lot shorter than the other ones have been. So I'll be back. What's up, y'all? We back. The beef is done. Y'all see? And now we do the best part, cheesify it. Cheesify the whole thing. We putting cheese on top of all the beef. Oh, let me move this plate. And this one, I'm gonna bring the skillet over here. And when I say a burger, I mean it, y'all. This is gonna be the ketchup. And this is gonna be the mayo. That's what I mean by ketchup. I mean the burger. And then we're gonna cheesify it real nice. I've already tried the beef and it's fire. This ain't no 70-30 ground beef from Food for Less. But y'all can do it from Food for Less. Take that, move that right there. There we go. I just had to make sure it was on camera. Mash it around. Ooh, let me move this over here. I'm actually right outside of Riverside. I'm gonna go in and see if I can do a taste test, but I don't know. I've never done one here. I've been here a lot, but I've never done a taste test here. You see how the cheese is just blended into the meat? that. Tell me what y'all think. Look, I'm gonna scoop some up and boom, all cheese. Bow. Perfect. And anybody that follows my channel know I like cheese. I got my lactate pills up there, so don't worry. Onion and garlic back in here. I ain't trying to do none of that. That's all flavor. Ooh, that was hot. Kind of got me a little bit, but it's all right. There we go. There we go. Take this. Good, healthy scoop. Grab the bottom bun. Put it on there. That part. Another piece on, some more on there. This is a taco version of a sloppy joe, is what I'm doing. Now with somebody backing underneath the trailer, don't worry. There we go. And there we go. We grab this Taco Bell hot sauce. Put that on top. Oh shit, it got on my shirt. Oh no, it got on my pants. Okay, that's fine. Just want to get it around on there. Sorry, y'all. Shit. Bad job. We're back. Go. There's one. Put this over here. Make a second one. Hopefully I can get some taste tests. I wanted to see if some truck drivers would try it. If they'd rather have a truck-made meal or fast food. If not, I'll go inside and see if I can talk some workers into it. There we go. Put that right there. Oh, kind of made a mess. But y'all see I'm cowboyed out, baby. Now we're doing the taste test here at the truck stop. Waiting for the guy. He's going to get a napkin, so we'll be back. Let's go. Grab yours. Like I said, both burgers are cut into quarters.
Oh, got me a quarter.
First order, quick wait. Number please. 125. Get through. Thank you. I got your weight.
That's made 100% from scratch in my truck.
It's fire. It's fire.
That's why I do my taste tests, is the way I promote my channel.
I would ask you what's in it, but I know the game is to be sold, not to be told.
No, my channel shows you exactly how to make it.
Oh, yeah?
There's onions, jalapenos, there's green chilies. But hey, how'd it taste? He's speechless. He's speechless, y'all. You wasn't expecting that, huh?
What?
And this is all made in my truck.
It's good. Hey, man, that's good. That is really good, bro.
Tell them. If you got any coworkers, man, I do taste tests everywhere I go.
No, I had lunch.